We'll guide you through how to use Stripe for accepting payments on your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you need to go to the Settings tab on the right upper side to get started. Next, click on Payments then Payment Method to set up a new payment method. You'll need to fill in details like the payment amount and the currency. Once that's done, you'll be given a payment link or button code that you can integrate into your website. If you're using a website builder like WordPress or Shopify, Stripe offers plugins and integrations that make this process smoother. Just go to your website builder's plugin store and search for Stripe to find the official plugin. Install and activate it, then follow the setup instructions to connect your Stripe account. Once connected, you can customize the payment options visible to your customers, such as accepting credit cards or digital wallets. It's important to test the payment process before going live. You can switch to test mode in Stripe by toggling the switch at the top of your dashboard. This allows you to simulate transactions without real money being involved. Remember to switch back to live mode when you're ready to accept real payments. Stripe also offers detailed documentation and support if you need more help with integration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.